All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a leveraged ETF called TQQQ, right? It's a triple leverage ETF of the NASDAQ index. I'm going to show you how to use that very opportunistically to make a lot of money from the stock market, all right? Let's get started. Okay, today I'm going to start off with the QQQ. It's a ETF of the NASDAQ index. So it tracks whatever the NASDAQ does, the QQQ mirrors it, okay? And it's a pretty popular index for a lot of traders out there. And what we're going to do with this today is we're going to say, gee, how can we make money trading based on the QQQ to extract not just some income, but make a lot of money out of the stock market, right? We want to beat the market. We don't even want to beat it. We want to clobber it. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And it's called the TQQQ. All right. The TQQQ is triple the NASDAQ. So that means whatever the NASDAQ index does, we're going to go back to the QQQ. All right, whatever it does, the TQQ does triple. So if the NASDAQ goes down 10%, the TQQQ is going down 30. All right, if it goes down 20%, the NASDAQ, well, the TQQ is going down 60. And if the NASDAQ goes down 30%, well, then that TQQ is going down 90%. All right, so you need to know that and make sure you understand that risk before you use this instrument. A lot of people don't acknowledge that, and they buy it way up here and then it crashes 70, 80, 90% and they freak out. They don't know what to do. Unfortunately, a lot of them end up selling at the bottom. Some of them have the wherewithal to wait it out, but it's just a horrible position to put yourself in. They're not designed for that, okay? They're designed, triple index ETFs are designed for short-term trading, not long-term holds. So know that up front. All right, so let's go back to the TQQ right here. So knowing that we're never going to buy this thing to hold it, right? Now, I make a lot of claims on my channel that indexes have what's called upward drift, and that means they always go up. Well, argument can be used against me on this index too, because it's part of the QQQ, it's part of the NASDAQ, so it always goes up too. But if you look at the history, it also goes down hard when the index goes down, and it doesn't recover as fast. And that's because it has what's called decay in it, right? The way they build it and leverage it through options, it causes some of it to decay. So when the NASDAQ, say, goes down 10%, this will go down 30. Well, when the NASDAQ recovers 10%, this doesn't recover 30% like it went down. It recovers a lot less. So you need to know that. It's a trading instrument. Do not buy this for a long-term hold, whatever you do, okay? It's meant to be traded. So with that said, and that knowledge, when is a good time to trade it? Well, right now, the market is what we're calling in an expansion phase, right? If you know anything about market cycles, if you've been watching this channel, then you do. If not, I'll do a quick recap. Markets go in cycles, right? They go up, they crash down, they recover, they go into what's called expansion phase, right? After recovery goes expansion and then goes cycle down again, another decline. Well, we went through the crash, we went through the recovery, we went through expansion. So the next logical phase is down, another decline. We don't know exactly when that's going to happen, but we know it's going to happen next, right? That's the next phase. So this thing can keep climbing. There's no one stopping it. And at some point, it's going to turn down. And when it does, that's when you really want to make this type of trade. So you sit on the TQQ, keep it in your toolbox, say, hey, when can I really maximize it? Well, if you buy it right here and this thing crashes, the only thing you're going to maximize are your losses. So you really don't want to do that. You want to sit and wait. And I'm going to use the Trump tariff trade. I use it in a lot of my examples, going back in history because it's a good one for the example. We can go back to any crash you want and you can use it. You can trade it any way you want. I got volatility trades on this channel that I've shown you. You could use it for that as well. You can use it any trade you want to use. I'm just going to show you a very powerful one right now. Now, I have a course. If you want to learn how I trade, I use volatility indicators. It tells me when to get in and out of certain positions and when to transition. And I have one that tells me when to get into this one. And it tells me to get into this one at the low of a crash, right? So I wait. I have an indicator that tells me, hey, this thing has come down. And you'll know the crash when it gets here, right? It'll be all over the news, blood in the streets, markets are in turmoil, the economy's going to hell in a handbasket, we're all going to be unemployed, blah, blah, blah. Well, that's your cue right then to say, hey, I should be buying some TQQQ, right? That is when it's most opportune to trade this instrument. When the market is crashing, the fear gauge is high. I don't know if you ever looked at the fear gauge or the VIX. VIX will start spiking. The fear gauge will go to a high fear reading. Well, that's your cue to say, hey, I want to buy the TQQQ, triple my opportunity. And you do that right here. So you come in and you say, hey, the crash is here. And I'm watching it go down. Hey, maybe I'll buy some TQQ right now. And you leverage in right there. It goes down some more. You buy a little bit more, right? You always ladder in. You never go all in at once, especially on a crash cycle. Some guys will wait for this thing to bottom and wait for it to start recovering. And you have your own set of tools on when you believe the recovery is in. I can give you an example of one right now. You could say, hey, here's the 30-day moving average, this blue line. When it goes above there, I'm going to buy in. So you take your line right here. You say, okay, run above that 30-day. I'm going to buy some TQQ right here. You might have another one that says, gee, at this 10-day moving average, I'm going to buy some. So it goes right back above that 10-day moving average, you buy some more, right? So you bought some here, you bought some there, and then you say, hey, when this 10-day moves above the 30-day, I'll buy a little bit more there too, right? So now you've broken into 3 positions. You got in at 3 different times. So you're not going all in at once because there's nothing that says this thing can't crash further down to here. So if you put all your money in right here and it went way down here, you'd probably be upset. You're still going to make money because you got in at opportunistic time when the market's at a low. Again, you want to have some other factors telling you when the market's bottoming out. I have a course if you want to check it out, or a free guide in the description. I also have a membership. You can join in and watch what positions I hold throughout the phase of each cycle. But the trade right now at this phase of the cycle would be buying the TQQ would be part of what I would be buying, right? So you buy it here, you buy a little bit here, maybe a little bit here, and you start riding it back up. But now when the market recovers, right, you bought this thing at such a deep discount, it's going to go up 3 times as fast, right? So everybody who was in the market right here, it came down to here, and now it recovers back up to here. They're all back even again, right? But you are not even now. You are way above even because you leverage down here. So instead of going up from, I'm going to draw a line and show you. Instead of going up from here to here, right, you went up 3 times as fast. So you went up from here to there times 3. So you went up 3 times faster than everybody else. So you went up to here. Okay, so when everybody else got back to even, you were way up here or further. Okay, because you tripled that return. You didn't just come up the same way they came back. You came up 3 times as fast because you bought the TQQQ, not just a regular old market, stock market, okay? Okay, it's a big deal. I hope I'm getting through. I hope I'm explaining this right, but it's a powerful way to trade and make a lot of money from the stock market. And the reason I'm making this video now is because we may have this opportunity coming up in the very near future for you to execute a trade like this. Okay, so rewatch this video, understand this trade. It's very powerful. Again, I have a course in the description. You want to check that out. You might want to check out the free guide as well. That'll help you, or you can join the membership and follow along with my positions. All right, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.